Hello guys, I'm Shahzad and welcome in lecture number 27. Today we are going to discuss about the content. We have already discussed about the content in our previous lectures, but for now, this is a website. You have to determine how many content you have on your website or how much content you need on your website. Let's suppose if you have a blogging website, then definitely you have a lot of content already there, so you don't need to create the extra content. So now it's a blogging website which is the Shakespeare. We are just going to show you that we also have the enough content there. Okay, so now as you can see, this is the e-commerce site and based on Abu Dhabi. So now as you can see, in this side they are not using the content. So as you can see, they have few images and they also have the pricing and something like that. Okay, now as you can see in the footer section, so this is the footer sections, they are also not using the keywords in the footer or the content in the footer section. So as you can see, this is a simple text and also these are the links. Okay, fine. So now you can see here it's online shopping KSA. If you click on the read more button, so now you can see this is the content, a lot of content available here. Okay, fine. So they are not using the content at the home page and also at any page. So as you can see, now they are using the content above the footer. So this is the best strategy. You must have a lot of content in the text format available on your website. So if you click on the blog section, so now as you can see, they have a single blog for now. They have a single blog because they have just published this blog before few days ago, and so they don't have the enough content. So that's why they are writing the blog. That's why they are adding the content above the footer. So as you can see, this is a blogging website. So now as you can see, a lot of content in the written format available here. So click this one, this one, this one. So a lot of content here. So now as you can see, this is the best strategy, that if you have the content like modeling jazz call packages, and these are the keywords. So now as you can see, a lot of content also here. So this is a blogging website, so you don't need to create the extra content. I'm talking about the content in the text format. Okay, so now let's discuss another website. So as you can see, this is shakespeare.com. it's our official website. So now as you can see, I also have a few content. So images. And now in the footer section, so now as you can see, I am using the lot of content here. So as you can see, these are the courses name, but these are also the keywords. So I also have this sections. As you copy this one and go to the Google, paste this one here, find your website. So now as you can see, we also here first, second, third, fourth. This is the official website of the Coding Nighter, and this is the Stack Overflow. We have a lot of content available on the Stack Overflow, so that's why. And these are the two websites, and as you can see, we have the blog here. Okay, that's why if I click on the joins, let's suppose if I'm saying left join in Coding Nighter, left join in Coding Nighter. Okay, now as you can see, we have the second result. So this is a Stack Overflow, and we have a second result available on the Google first page. So now as you can see, this is the first result, and it's the official website of the Coding Nighter. Okay, if you copy this one, so Coding Nighter 4 in Hindi, so paste this one here. So now as you can see, Coding Nighter 4 in Hindi here. So this is the first course, and this is it's coming from our official website. And if you are saying that Coding Nighter, let's suppose Coding Nighter 4 tutorial. Find this one. So now as you can see, this is our first result. So if you just type Coding Nighter 4, so here as you can see, this is the official website. These are the official website of the Coding Nighter. This is also the official website of the Coding Nighter, and this is the Udemy, and this is the Udemy result, and this is the GitHub result. And here, where is my result? Okay, I think it's available on the second page. Okay, now as you can see, we have a results here. So we are adding the content in the footer sections. This is the one strategy, but we also have a strategy. We have to keep the content in the text format above the footer. So now we are going to add the content above the footer here, and we let you know these results once we add the content. So content is the most powerful weapons for you. Sorry, I'm saying weapons. So this is the most popular thing if you are working or if you are doing SEO. Whenever I say content, that means I'm saying content in the text format. Okay, because I have the blog, 80% of my visitors coming from my blog sections, and I only have I think 24 or 25 blogs. Okay, so you have to, we will discuss about the blogs in our later lectures, why we have to use the blogs and why you need to create the blog sections and available on your website. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other things. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So thank you for watching.